Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are going to do Makoti Are You the One? Makoti Are You the One is a TV show that is a reality TV at that matter, aimed at making sure Uguti Abo Makoti are aligned or adjust or something like that, adjust to their family, to their in-laws, right? So now in this instance, they will take the makoti for 21 days. A guy will take their girl for 21 days to their family and try to blend in. In that 21 days, the mother-in-law or the in-laws at large will be teaching umakoti how they live and how they adjust and how they do things. Full disclaimer, it is a reality TV show and we will be discussing the characters in the reality TV show and we'll be talking about how they are being treated, how they are handling the 21 days, how's everything going. So guys, it's 4 families, right? Or 4 ladies. So now angagabazi 100% amagama and stuff. But what I do know is that already right? Let us start with Tamara. Tamara is a makoti married to this guy, and Utamara is being disrespected by the siblings of the husband, potential husband, right? Now these girls are annoying. Like yo futhi khona lo yo mangimbona angakuthi ngakhipha isibebi ngimshaye. Reason why she annoys me out of everything, I think what she was not taught is that you are a girl and you are going to be in a situation where Tamara is in, and your in-laws are going to treat you exactly the way you are treating Utamara. And as a child, Utamara akazanga la ukuzokotiza kuwe. Like the mother-in-law tried, right? Girl Shem, she tried ukuthi ayigqokise and try to make it as if she's disciplining this other one. Like she properly tried, but for me her trying was not a sound. Umalume naye nakho uyahamba uthi uyabakhuza abatshela umalume ngesilungu naba abantwana their own malume's face. I was like yo. I wonder where they grew up from, you know, because umakoti is coming to this home to be taught umulao. How do people like this teach you umulao if born abantwana babo they do not have mulao? Like I was like yo. And then the other couple that upset me is the woman that is a divorcee and the family automatically doesn't like her because she's a divorcee. She was once married and the ex-girlfriend to the boyfriend was not married or is not a divorcee on anything. And I'm like, how are we as women, guys? Like, really, as women, we need God. As women, we need the blood of Jesus. As women, I don't know what we need, but what we need is very serious, because how do we judge a woman coming from marriage and saying she's not worthy of marrying into our families because umabuye mendweni, knowing very well how men could be, knowing very well that you cannot trust a man, knowing very well that a man can make you leave your parents and treat you like crap. Like no woman gets married to divorce. Like I was like this family like annoyed me. So now as Umamezala was complaining, seeing everything wrong about Umakoti and man, there was this girl who is a family member to the in-laws. She told the mother-in-law to say, no, you don't, that's not how you're going to treat another woman's child. That's not going, like she was advocating for her proper. And I really appreciated that, because in most in-laws families, you don't get anybody that would stand up for you. You know, everybody would see the bad behavior, the bad treatment and everything, but they will not be able to speak up to the mamazala, as if the mamazala also did not come ngomshado. But what I like, this girl reminded her, Guti, now herself you're not married as a mamazala, but now you cannot be talking and saying things that you should not be saying. Yes girl. Ugirl, she cooked mince and mince and rice, right? Already the mama Zala was complaining about the mince. The mince is too salty. She's just gonna eat because she's very hungry. What guys, if something it does not taste good or the salt is too much, it's way too much, you're not gonna eat it, because the salt will be like, I don't know, it will be so annoying that you can't even eat the food. So Mina, I think Ukuti Ukro is going to see everything wrong on this women, and she keeps on saying, as a divorcee, as umabuye emendweni, you should know 1 2 3 4 5. Who says so? Who says so? Because the families are not the same. Things are different. Yo guys, but that was that family. And then kube ne family ka Zizo, the in-laws ka Zizo, right? Uzizo is this girl that likes Isavana, and Umamazala knows her by liking Isavana. Now, at some point, brother-in-law wanted to go and chill with her, watch soccer together, but ubugela isoccer no makoti. As a brother-in-law, you're chilling with umakoti. It's like, there's nothing wrong. She's going to be my sister, so we might as well, get to know her and. But you could see with the family doesn't want that. They don't want any relationship. I don't know if they like umakoti or not, but it looks like umakoti does not have a good relationship now. I'm busy as he was preparing for the bride, because it was Makoti's birthday. Now they're going to do a little something for her, right? I'm busy. I'm telele ibiyala phayana eglazini yathayigel thatha nje la buyisa umzimba lokhu uphuza ngekomishi. Why? Because Umamazala does not like alcohol, and I'm like, it's not up to you as Umamazala to tell another person's child they must not drink alcohol or drink alcohol, more especially if your son drinks, guys. I don't know how mother-in-laws are. Like, they will want you as umakoti to be a saint that they never were in the first place, and they cannot even do the same when it comes to their children. But when you're not supposed to, and I was like, girl, please. But girl invited her friends over. We have not yet seen ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani when the friends land and the friends start mbombozing. Will it be well with Umamezala or will it not be well? Another thing, girl asked Umamezala ukuthi, you asking a lot of money from your child. Can I please ask that from now on it via through me? Girl, remember, when are you the girlfriend? The day my son is married and you become Mrs. Banban, it's then that you can ask me that. For now, it's not going to happen like that. I'm going to talk to my son directly. I'm like, yo, guys, some of us are still married, but we are not getting those conversations. They're talking to the son directly. And then the final makoti was Umuntu Gathemba. There's this guy who's a TikTok celebrity and stuff who decided to join this. I'm concluding with him because he's my least favorite, and I hate that guy so much right now because he brought this girl to Makoti. Are you the one? Did this 21-day challenge with this girl, but is busy behind her back, while the poor girl is laboring and making sure that your family likes her, and when you are busy ngapha you're busy, you keep missing ama girls, you're busy promising ama girls ama second marriages and stuff. But the difference with him is that he has already lobolat the girl that is on the 21 days. So the 21 days for this one is better because in a lobola pezul. Yeah, understand? But now I don't like the fact of why can't he wait for the 21 days to conclude? Why introduce the other girlfriend to the show and prepare marrying the other girlfriend while the other one is busy on the 21 days? For me, it was just a bitter pill to swallow. But okay, girl spoke to Mamezala. Mamezala was like, you need to begezela and Mamezala spoke to the husband, to the father-in-law, who is her husband, to say, please speak to your son. Your son is cheating on this poor girl. It's not good, it's not nice, and equation uguti. When the son comes, the son will say, I want the polygamy. Will this poor girl just let things go? Or will she fight for this marriage? Or will she decide to go, this is not for me? Because honestly, I don't see him stopping with second wife. I'm seeing him continuing to cheat the moment he secures this one. Because this one might think, I'm the it thing now, but his character is not showing me ukuthi uqinile. But I don't know. Maybe you guys have seen it differently. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.